Hi, I'm Ty Brown with DogBehaviorOnline.com. I'm here in Riverton, Utah today, teaching you how to train a dog. The purpose of today's training is teaching you how to potty train a dog. Now, potty training a dog is step number one for any dog when it comes into the home. Nobody likes to clean up accidents, and so it's very important from a young age to teach your dog where it's appropriate to go to the bathroom and where it's not. There's 4 major steps that you need to keep in mind when you're potty training a dog. The first one is prevention. Prevention is a huge part of potty training a dog. By prevention, I mean never allowing it to happen in the first place. The way to accomplish that is through proper supervision. And that takes 2 different ways. Number one, when you're home, you should keep the dog with you. Oftentimes with a young puppy or a dog that's not house trained or potty trained yet, I'll even keep the dog on a leash in the house with me so that he can't get away and sneak behind the couch and go to the bathroom. When I'm gone, then I'll use something like a crate, so that the dog is in a place where he's not going to go to the bathroom, and in doing that, by keeping the dog with me and keeping the dog in the crate, I can prevent the dog from going to the bathroom in the first place. The second step to potty training a dog is encouraging the proper behavior. Now, this is pretty easy. You take your dog outside to go to the bathroom. When he does go to the bathroom, you make it a wonderful occasion for him. You praise him, you pet him. If you have a treat, you give him a treat. What you want to do is over and over and over associate a word such as go to the bathroom. He goes to the bathroom, you give him a treat, and soon he starts to realize, boy, this sure is fun to go to the bathroom outside. The third step to potty training a dog is correcting the bad behavior when it does happen. Even though you're supervising your dog by the use of the crate and by keeping him on a leash, and even though you're encouraging him to go to the bathroom outside, he's still going to have some accidents. And so when he does, you quickly want to tell him no firmly as you rush him outside using the leash and get him outside and go to the bathroom there. The last thing you want to do when potty training a dog is to get your dog on a schedule, and that's a food schedule and a bathroom schedule. Take your dog out to the bathroom first thing in the morning, last thing at night, directly after eating, 1 hour after eating, anytime you take your dog out of the crate, and any other time you feel like your dog needs to go to the bathroom. Also get your dog on a food schedule. For dogs 6 months and younger, they should be eating 3 times a day. Dogs from 6 months to a year should be eating 2 times a day. And so what you want to do is get a dog on a schedule of eating. That way you know when he needs to go to the bathroom. By following these 4 steps, you will successfully potty train your dog.